Hey guys, so after studying for months, I finally achieved my CISSP, and ISC squared sent me my certification in the mail. So this is what I received. So if any of those people out there are studying for the CISSP and you're wondering what you're going to get after achieving it, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a box in the mail, shipped directly from, looks like I had some type of, first class mail there. And you can see I just went ahead and cleared out my address. I obviously don't want to show that. Move it over here. And if you open it, you have your certification to the left. And on the right side, they give you the CISSP pin, which you can take off the box and put this on your suit. And if you look at the booklet here, it'll just outline some of the requirements now that you're a ISC squared member. So for the CISSP, it looks like I'm gonna have to achieve so many CPEs every year, so continuing education credits. So I'll go ahead and read that later. And you get this that basically says, congratulations, welcome to ISC squared, and they mention some of the benefits, such as being a ISC squared member. Those are all great. I thought I would get like some type of card, like a business card that I can share with people, but I mean, who uses business cards anymore? If you achieve the CISSP, you probably just put on your LinkedIn profile with your badge. Right? But this is a certification here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out without bending it too much. And I like the box they put it in, but I want to frame this. So your journey begins here. Although I feel like my journey has ended, I don't want to achieve any more ISC squared certifications because the CISSP is pretty much the highest you can get. Now I do know there's other CISSP certifications out there for engineering and management. However, I'm not too interested in those, as I really have to renew this one and keep up with the CPEs. I don't want another certification that I have to keep up with CPEs for. But that's great to have. I'm gonna go ahead and frame it.